I was just thinking about some of these videos I've seen where people say that oil is actually something the Earth makes. I guess from breaking down rocks as it spins or something like that. Not a fossil fuel. I have no idea if that is true or not. It sounds like it could just be some kind of conspiracy theory similar to the stuff the flat earthers talk about. In any case, I was just thinking about how gas prices seem to steadily rise. I wouldn't be too surprised if we ended up hitting peak oil, or if we already are and we're on that curve, the downward, kind of like a roller coaster. You hit the top of it, start going down, where there's less and less oil and costs more and more to get the oil out of the ground. It's not an unreasonable idea to think. No, I don't really think that we, by driving cars, have done all the damage to the earth that they say we have. I do think it's bad for the environment, but I'm not really sold on the global warming stuff. It sounds more like a way to tax us. But I think we need to get away from that shit regardless. And I think quite possibly are running out of oil. I mean, 100 years ago, Tesla already had electric cars we could use, and Henry Ford had a car powered by hemp oil. There was a guy named I forget what his name was, Lessing Myers. He had a water-powered car from Ohio, and he was assassinated. Stanley Myers, that's what his name was. There's other options out there. It's just the powers that be are making too much money of what they're doing. It would be nice if we got peak oil though. Have something like that, and like hyperinflation hit at the same time. Get a Class X solar flare to hit us too. Wouldn't that be nice? Fuck everything up at once. Probably won't happen, but that'd be kind of cool. Have us hit the reset button on civilization.